Now if we select this one and we go to features and we use extruded cut, there are a couple of options. For blind, in this direction it goes blind, and here you can see we have some options, like if we select all bodies it can go through all bodies, but here we haven't given enough length, so if we give maybe like so, it would go blindly on this side. We can flip the direction of blind, so it would go towards this side. Other options, through all, it would go through both these bodies. Similarly, if we flip the direction, it would go through both of these bodies. And third option, through all, both, so it would go through all the bodies on both sides. See, it would cut here and here on both the sides. Up to next, so if we are selecting this one, so it would go through the next and it would make a hole through this point. And up to vertex, we can actually select a vertex. So if we select this one here, it would go here. If we select this one, it would go until here. If we select so up to surface, we can select like this surface, it would come to this. So blind, it's blind on both the sides. So basically it's switching. So and then offset from surface, so I select So this is too small. I think we're gonna go with blind for the first, and then we can try other options. So if we click it, it's gonna be like this. So it cut it here, and it cut through this part. The blind one, it cut through everything. Now we can undo this one and look at our other options. So this is right, but we are gonna do extruded cut in other ways. So suppose up to surface, and we select this surface. Let's see what happens. So we click here, maybe it doesn't reach that surface, so it didn't cut through that, it just cut through this one. So we can go back again, features, extruded cut, up to body. We select this body and click, and it just extrudes this one, not this one. Other options we can try to explore are features, extruded cut, so suppose this time we try this surface and we're trying offset from surface, so 0.01 offset from surface and reverse offset. So when we click it, it's giving us some errors. So now we select this, and now it's done. So here you can see when we did So I'm gonna zoom here. You can see it cut the surface and it's cylindrical. It just did 0.01 inside. Okay, so I'm probably gonna hide this one. Hide this one, and we can see how it affected this body. Okay. The reverse offset thing, how it cut through this circular piece. And another thing I want to show you is if I say offset from surface, select the same surface, this one, but I don't reverse offset. Let's see what happens then. So it cuts like this. If I do 0.2, it cuts in deeper. And when I don't select reverse offset, it's because it doesn't reach that surface. Okay, so that's about it for today's lesson.